Welcome back everyone, and in today's video we are going to learn how to solve a pair of linear equations by using the elimination method. And let us do that by considering an example. So if you consider a pair of linear equations as 3x plus 4y minus 10 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. Just keep in mind here that regarding solving these kind of equations, you have to take all the terms towards the left side and the right side should always be 0. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do while doing the elimination method is we have to eliminate either the x term or the y term. So here let us eliminate the x term first. So in order to eliminate the x term, what do? We have to make the coefficient of x to be equal. As you can see here, the coefficient of x is 3, whereas here in equation 2 the coefficient of x is 2. So in order to make it equal, what do? We find out the LCM of 3 and 2. So the LCM of 3 and 2. So that will be 6. 2 to 3, that will be 6. So this is the LCM of 3 and 2. So what do? We have to multiply 3 in order to get 6, and you have to multiply 2 with a number in order to get 6. So 3 multiplied by 2 and 2 multiplied by 3 to get 6. So let us write multiplying equation 1 by 2 and multiplying equation 2 by 3. And after that we can subtract them. Okay. Multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3 and subtract. So we get the following. So if you multiply each and every term of equation 1 by 2, you'll get 6x plus 24, that will give you 8. Y minus 20 is equal to 0. And if you multiply equation 2 by 3, you get 6x minus 3 into 2, that will be 6y minus 6 is equal to 0. And when you subtract, the sign will change it into the opposite value. The sign of these terms which are below will change it to opposite side. So plus, that will give you change to minus, minus that will change to plus, minus that will change to plus. 6x minus 6x, that will give you 0 only. 8y, actually it is minus, but the sign has changes to plus, so you have to plus them. 8 plus 6, that will give you 14y. And similarly here, minus 20, actually it is minus, but it has changes to plus. So minus 20 plus 6, we have to minus 20 minus 6, that will give you minus 14 is equal to 0. So 14y equal to 14, 14 into 1, 14 into 1, that will give you y is equal to 1. So that is how we get the value of y. Okay. In order to find out the value of x here, we have to eliminate y. And the same thing, in order to eliminate y, we have to make the coefficient of y to be equal in equation 1 and in equation 2. Okay, so let us do that. So if you look at equation 1, the coefficient of y is 4, and equation 2, coefficient of y is 2. If we only multiply equation 2 by 2, then we get 2 to 2, 4, which will be equal to equation, the coefficient of y in equation 1. So let us do that. Okay, multiplying equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 2 and subtract we get. So if you multiply equation 1 by 1, then that will remain as 3x plus 4y minus 10 is equal to 0. And here if you multiply each and every term of equation 2 by 2, you'll get 4x minus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. I think we should add here, since the sign of the y terms in equation 1 and equation 2 are different. Here it is plus, here it is minus. So it's better that we should add them together. Whereas here, since both the sign are the same, so we have to subtract. Yes, that we have to keep in mind. If the sign of the terms are the same, then we have to subtract. Whereas if the sign of the terms are different, then we just add them together. Just add them. So if we add them together, the sign will not change. 4y minus 4y, that will give you 0. 3 plus 4, that will give you 7x minus 10 minus 4, that will give you minus 14, which is equal to 0. Or you can write 7x is equal to 14. 7 to 1, 7 into 2. We get x is equal to 2. So that's how we get the values of x and y by using the elimination method. I hope you understand, and stay tuned until next time. We are going to learn another method, that is the cross multiplication method. God bless you and stay safe.